people! So, today is Saturday and pupunta kami ngayon sa swap meet. So, I think pangatlong swap meet ko na to na napuntahan dito sa San Diego and ayan, dadalhin ko kayo para makita nyo ano bang meron dun sa swap meet. Para siyang ukay-ukay na mga damit, furnitures, lahat ng random stuffs meron dun and hindi lang naman mga second hand, meron din mga brand new na galing Mexico and China and also basta pakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung anong meron. Are you excited? I'm gonna give you $5, okay? That's your budget for today, okay? You can get toys or anything. So, tingnan natin kung may mabibili tayo sa $5 and yan, nakaka-excite kasi ang tagal ko nang nag-aaya na pumunta doon. Ayaw ng husband ko kasi mainit. Eh ngayon, gloomy yung weather. So, perfecto para magpunta sa swap meet. So, tara! Spring Valley na ba to? Ooh, we're here! May flowers. Parang Divisoria pala. Yan ang second hand. Ang ganda ng outfit. So beautiful. Ito pala yung Divisoria ng US. Oh, $15, $3 each. Yung shorts. Para talagang Divisoria. May mga santo. Oh. Toys. May furniture pa. Kompleto. $5. Ooh. Appliances. Lahat lahat meron sila dito kompleto. Mga speakers. Socks. Parang nga nasa Quiapo or Divisoria. Wow! Look at this! This is nice. Oh my gosh! Scooter ang mura. $120 lang. Mga shades. Ang ganda. $7 lang. Ito yung mga trending na toys. Ito Bio, trending to yun. Butter, squishy butter. Yeah, squishy. At saka ito. Oh, magkano kaya ito? Ano?
Chloe, show it to the camera.
What did you get, Chloe?
Chloe, what did you get?
Ooh. Let's go. Let's keep walking. Hi. Chloe. Hey, Chloe. Mga tools. Okay na. At nakabili ako ng isang magandang shades. Ang kulit nito ni Chloe, panay bati sa akin ng Mother's Day. Sabi ko sa kanya, hindi pa Mother's Day ngayon, pero Mother's Day na, I think Mother's Day na sa Sunday? Mother's Day na ata sa Sunday. Makapaghanap nga ng mapupuntahan, Mother's Day na pala sa Sunday. Maghihilamos lang ako kasi hindi magandang skin natin lately. So, ito pa din yung binili namin sa Japan na Senka Perfect Whip. Naubos ko na kasi yung blue niya, kaya itatry naman natin itong pink. You need to wash your face. Come here. Come here. You can also change, you wanna change your clothes? Or you wanna wear na lang that? Okay. But you need to wash your face, okay? Hilamos lang tayo. Come here. Si Chloe, inihilamusan ko rin siya sa umaga, pero wala nang sabon. Water lang, para lang maalis yung mga dumi-dumi. Come here. You need to trim your bangs na. It's super haba na. Come here. You wanna trim your bangs later, eh?
Yes.
It's super haba na, no? Is it poking your eyes na?
Yes.
Okay. Ayan, ayan. Pinababad ko lang siya sa lip dyan. Hindi deodorant lang. Kasi maglalakad-lakad tayo, tsaka maglilinis tayo, so kailangan tayong ready for the day. Ito lang naman yung ginagamit ko din, yung sa meal ko na roll-on. Kasi nagsusukat yung kilikili ko kapag gumamit ako ng mga may scent, ganyan, or mga ibang brand. Hindi na siya sanay. For tawas lang. For tawas lang talaga.
Mommy, what are we gonna do today? What art should I do? What art?
Di ba you opened the toy last night?
What art?
The blocks. Did you open it?
Yes.
No, not yet. You have to clean up muna yung kalat mo last night and then you can play the dentist, okay? So, ito lang naman yung aking moisturizer from Good Molecules. Actually, I'm thinking of changing yung brand ng ginagamit ko. Nakita ko kasi kay Miss Angeli Dab gumagamit siya ng SkinCeuticals, so I might try that. Or baka pag uwi na lang namin ng Pinas, check ako sa mga dermadol. And so, ayun na nga, iniisip ko is magpa-check na lang siguro sa Pinas kasi pauwi rin naman kami ni Chloe. Magpa-derma siguro tayo doon. Hingi tayo ng prescription sa mga magagandang brands since ang mahal kasi dito sa amin. Anyway, baba na nga tayo at kumain ng breakfast. Pero kailangan muna natin magligpit ng pinaghigaan. Turuan ko si Chloe na magligpit ng pinaghigaan niya every morning. Kailangan niya maging responsible at a very young age, at 4 years old. Right? Put it in the laundry bucket. And then this one, put it inside Mommy's cabinet. Okay? What is this? So, every morning yan. Nagawa muna siya ng house chores. Tutulungan niya sa lahat ng gagawin namin house chores and even make breakfast pa nga. Ayun ang aming daily routine. Then, tsaka siya magpe-play. Then, may time din siya for aral. Show me your face. Ay, Sadie ka na open a new toy. So, put it inside Mommy's cabinet na.
This one is the most beautiful. And even this one. Wow. Look. It turned red now. I think we can eat it in the water. Oh, even this one turned yellow. Wow.
Ito kumuha na kami kahapon. Kinain namin. Pinalo sa sausawan. And it's super spicy.
Oh, look at my flower.
Oh, this one is big na din.
There's more hiding.
Tomato.
What is there like more hiding
Munti na. Munti na lang pwede na yan. Pitasin at gawing sausawan. Can you open the blinds, please?
Why?
Come on, let's open it para maliwanag dito sa bahay. Di ba I told you when I was young, my mommy used to ask me to buy bread and very far from the house. And I don't complain. They don't say that. They don't say, why do I always have to buy bread? So, ayan yung mga toys na binili namin ipapadala sa Pinas. Pero, chinek ko lang din kahapon and nilalaro muna niya. Ang dami. Actually, super dami naming toys na ipapadala sa Pinas. Yung iba nasa garage, yung iba ayun. Yung iba nasa storage, yung iba nasa taas ng room ni Chloe. Siguro dalawang box na yan. Namin, puro art na yun. Puro art ni Chloe. Let's get this milk. Strawberry jam. Tingnan niyo yung bread namin. Isang piraso na lang din. Need na rin mag-grocery talaga. Ayun, kahapon nga nagpunta kaming Walmart and ayun na nga namin sana lumabas. Kasi nga every time lumalabas, talagang hindi napipigilan yung napapagastos eh. Eh, ang mahal-mahal nga ng bilihin lately, diba? So, yung asawa ko, mga binili niya is mga kailangan dito sa bahay. Ayan, dinagdagan niya din yung throw pillow namin. Tapos, naka $68 na siya. So, ako naman, bumili ako ng mga ipapadala dun sa school namin sa Pinas. And then, ganun din. Nagastosan din ako ng, I think, around 60 din, something. So, ang gastos lumabas. And, minsan natatakot na rin akong lumabas. Parang mas, sinasabi ko minsan sa kanila na ako, dito na lang tayo sa bahay. Bili na lang ng food or what. Kasi sa labas, iba talaga ang mahal. Ang mahal kumain, tapos gasolina pa diba? And then makakakita ka pa ng mga bagay na, alam mo yun, yung hindi mo naman pinaplanong bilhin. Eh, wala kang control. Mabibili mo ngayon. Ay, ginawa niya, diba? Super magandang activity yan for our students. So, kinuha ko siya. And high quality pa siya. Soft blocks. Ang kagandahan lang din talaga ng mga toys dito sa US. Most, kung hindi all, most, high quality din talaga. Kung i-compare mo naman sa Pinas na parang ang bilis mo-bend ng mga plastic, hindi siya safe and all. So, dito naman is quality talaga yung mabibili na yung toys. Most is safe sa kids. Ay, eat na. Sit down and eat. Ito yung breakfast muna niya for now and then bread lang siguro and peanut butter. So, we really need to go to the grocery later. Alam niyo ba, hindi ako mahilig dito before. Hindi ako mahilig dito sa peanut butter before nung bata-bata pa ako. Hindi talaga siya yung favorite kong palaman. It's either Reno, yung liver spread, or mayonnaise. Yan, ganyan yung palaman ko. Or pinapalaman ko is egg. Hindi ako mahilig sa peanut butter. And kahit ngayon naman, hindi rin ako mahilig sa peanut butter. Piling-pili lang yung peanut butter na gusto kong kainin. Actually, yung gusto kong kainin na peanut butter is yung mga walang brand sa Pinas na tinitinda lang kasama ng mga nasa bakery. Yung ma-oily yung itaas niya. Yun yung mga gusto kong peanut butter lang. And kahit yung mga peanut butter na yun, ang bilis ko pa ding maumay. Ito namang si Miss Chloe, sobrang hilig sa peanut butter.
Mom? You know I like Mickey Mouse before when I was in the Philippines.
You like Mickey Mouse?
Yeah, I watch Minnie Mouse every day.
Yeah. I like Mickey Mouse too.
Yeah, like me, right? You know it's a baby or a kid?
So, ito yung bread niya. Masarap naman yung combination na to. It's just that hindi ko lang favorite ang peanut butter.
So yummy!
So, usually yan ang breakfast ni Chloe kapag wala na kaming grocery. So, ayan, nagsuot lang ako ng hikaw, bracelet, tsaka kwintas kasi gusto ko lagi ako nakaganito kahit nasa bahay lang ako, kahit pambahay lang. Suot ko. Ewan ko rin bakit ganito ako, pero mas gusto ko lang na suot-suot ko yan. And isa pa sa everyday ginagawa ko bago kong kumilos, maghugas lahat-lahat. Actually, parang every 15 minutes ko ata ito ginagawa. Ginaganyan ako yung ilong ko. Pinapahitan ko na itong kating ko na oil. Mahapdi siya nung una, pero ngayon nasanay na kasi ako eh. Pero huwag niyo ito ilalagay dito ha, tsaka dito kasi tumutulo siya, tapos papasok siya sa mata, mahapdi. So, yan. Very tita na ba to? Kasi gusto ko yung amoy nito, tsaka syempre, Vicks, hindi mawawala. Pakita ko sa inyo ha. Tingnan niyo ha, yung bag ko na to. May Vicks. Dito sa baba, sa sala, may Vicks kami. Sa taas, may Vicks yung dalawang kwarto. Yung office ko, tsaka yung tintulugan namin. Kahit saan may Vicks kasi sa sasakyan may Vicks. Oops! Did you fart?
Yes.
I'm filming!
That's not put in the video.
Now I'm gonna post this. Oh, I can see you.
No,
Ang
that's
bango
not
niya.
the part of the posting.
I'm gonna post that. The title is gonna be Somebody Farted. Anyway, yan. So, I'm gonna wash the dishes and cook dinner. Tapos, yung lunch kasi namin ni Chloe is optional. Optional. Minsan nagla-lunch kami, minsan hindi. And dinner is
Salmon.
And so for dinner, giniling na may patatas, carrots, and sibuyas bawang. Yung ating sibuyas bawang. Yes.
Sitting down there.
What's that?
Sitting down there.
Oh wow! It looks weird.
Because we can't finish it.
And then binili ko to. Ano bang tawag dito? Wait lang. Cilantro.
Oh my god.
Gusto ko siyang ilagay sa giniling or pang toppings ba? Ano bang tawag doon? Pang garnish. Gusto ko siyang lagyan ng ganito. Ang bango-bango niya kasi. And gusto ko siyang ilagay sa ulam. So, ilalagay natin siya sa giniling. Oh, ayan lang. And na-defrost ko na yung giniling kagabi pa kaya. Oh, nakakalawa. Oh my gosh. Bumili ako ng sangkalan nung nakaraan. Diba yung isang araw? Bumili tayo ng sangkalan. And aesthetic siya na sangkalan. Kahoy. Naisip ko para sana sa mga TikTok videos ko dahil ang hilig ko. Everyday ako nagluluto and all. Tapos lagi ako nagpapakita ng video ko. Pero hindi ko talaga ito ginagamit for like yung mga pangmalakasang sangkalan. Alam niyo, yung pag maghihiwa ka ng mga kung ano-anong sobrang tigas. Ginamit siya ng asawa ko. Ay, nagasgasan niya. Kita niyo ba? Ayan. Ang lalaki ng gasgas. Like, what? Girl, why? For aesthetic purposes lang to. Saka kasi kapag naghiwa ako, mabagal. Sobrang bagal kung maghiwa. Kaya hindi ako nakakasira or nakakagasgas ng mga ganito. Saka kasi, ganun siya. Maghiwa, nasira niya yung sangkalan. Nagasgas na, hindi na siya aesthetic. Ewan ko kung kita sa video. Sana hindi.
Mom, can you see? Mom, can you see?
Look what Dad did to my sangkalan. He scratched it.
Why?
I don't know. What did he do? Maybe he cut the meat here. You're not supposed to use this for meat. For ano ko lang kasi ito ginagamit sa mga gulay, prutas. Hindi ko siya ginagamit sa meat eh. Hindi kasi siya nagluluto dito every weekend lang. Siguro nagamit niya sa meat kaya nagkaganito.
I thought my dad did that.
Namiss ka niya sobra. Naiyak ka din. Naiyak ka minsan, eh. Kaya, hindi siya naiyak na mamiss lang. Naiyak siya sa trabaho. Ayan. Ito na to. Todo na to. Oh, picture yan. Ayan, ang ganda. nagkakaaway tayo, no? Puro wala ka lang sound. Mag-sound naman tayo. Naka-video yan eh.
May sulit. Kaya pag ininit mo siya, kasi sa tip, pag ininit mo siya, pag dumikit mo, ahon mo sa lip. So, cover it with towel.
Ang giniling.
We're making some canola. Canola! Hi, we're making some canola and it's Mother's Day today. I'm trying.
So, nakapagluto na ako. Nakalimutan ko siyang i-film. Kasi pinifilm ko din siya for TikTok.
Canola!
That's not tinola. That's giniling. So, pinifilm ko din siya for TikTok. Nakalimutan ko na siyang i-film for YouTube. And let's show them what we're making. Excuse me.
I'm making canola. Canola!
Tinola. That's not tinola. That's giniling. Be careful ha. It's hot here. Don't touch this, ano. This syrup. Ooh, it looks good. Alam niyo, favorite ko tong giniling na may patatas at carrots. Kaso yung asawa ko hindi siya masyadong hilig dito. Hindi siya kumakain. Hirang-hira lang. Looks good. It smells good. Lahat-lahat na. Talagang ano ko yan. Kumbaga yan yung nakaka-happy na food sa akin. And mamaya naman, kapag natapos na ako magluto ng giniling, lulutuan natin siya nito. Fried na pork chop na lang. Tapos hiwa ko siya ng cucumber and suka. Yun siguro yung ganyan kasi nga hindi nga siya mahilig siya sa giniling. Hindi niya naman. Liligpitin niya yan pero marami rin tayong liligpitin today. And yung labahan, tutupin natin. Tapos siguro aayusin ko na yung mga box na iuwi ko sa Pinas kasi this one, iuwi natin to. Yung cake doon, iuwi natin yung mga nasa rooms ni Chloe. And this one, yung mga bagong binili ko. And even dito sa storage namin, medyo makalat lang siya. Pero ayun, may mga toys dyan. Iuwi din natin yan. Ayan, and then, ito yung aking favorite na CR dito sa bahay namin. Medyo weird lang yung location niya, but dito, ito yung CR sa baba. So, yan. Lagi kasi itong malinis, kaya tawag ko dito, ito yung favorite kong CR. Hindi pa nga namin ito naaayos kasi bibili pa kami ng mga storage para dyan. So, actually, wala pa kami nabibili dito sa bahay. Kahit ito, hindi pa namin nakakabit. Wala pa yung table dyan. Ayaw pa namin gumastos para doon kasi feeling namin wala na, hindi naman kailangan magmadali sa pag-decorate ng bahay. Mangyayari din naman yun, magagawa din naman natin yun. Hindi pa namin napipinturahan tong loob. Ito activity niya kahapon, super ganda na. Nabili lang po sa Target. Ang cute. Yes. What's that?
These are magic slippers. It came from a magic.
What are we gonna do?
Twisty.
We already checked that.
That's alright. Look, the next morning it's redder. Wow. It has a lot of nutrients now, but some days, you know, all of days. And polish.
I did her nails, and this is what it looks like. Ooh! What a fancy nails. Ooh! It looks scary. You like it?
Yes, I like my nails.
I love it. Oh, show me the nails. Oh, what a fancy girl. Can you do this? Can you do this? T. T, can you say T? T. RT. Yan. Ka-artihan namin today. I-check lang yung niluluto ko. I think it's done na. Let's check na. Oh yeah, it's done. So, pwede na natin siyang kain. That's it for lunch. Dinner. Kasi actually, lunchtime na ngayon. But busog pa din kami. So, hindi na tayo magla-lunch. I'm not. I'm still full. Are you hungry? Let me know if you're hungry now. We can eat. We're gonna clean muna, okay? So you can do my nails. Can you do my nails, please? But I want it color red. Maglilikpit muna kami ng mga kalat namin. You can always... Oops! Play later when you wake up. So, I'm taking this Super Calm from Nello. In fairness, effective naman siya sa akin. So, I'm drinking this not every day. Maybe twice a week. Ito. And then, yung isa pang siya, yung isa yung Super Focus. And then, this one is Super Calm. And then, meron pa akong ibang flavors niyan. Yan, I'm taking that. And this is my vitamins. Masarap siya. Refreshing yung lasa niya. Pero kung hindi ka mahilig sa matamis, hindi mo ito magugustuhan. Kasi medyo nasa sweet side siya. Yes? You need to take a nap first, right? Because that's the deal, di ba? Kids need to take a nap, right? So their brain and body will grow. Cheers. So we are making cookies. So hindi pa naman to like super ready. Hinaluan pa rin namin siya ng egg, ng milk, ng butter, and even a banana. Hinaluan namin siya ng banana. So banana chocolate chip cookie, right?
Yes, it's gonna be so yummy.
We're gonna bake that because she wants to bake today. Like as in right now before taking a bath.
I love my plate.
Mix it properly, okay?
It's so yummy now.
Ooh, it's a little bit burnt.
Finish.
But ta-da! What is that? Okay, that's so dahil nilagyan namin siya ng banana, para siyang hindi cookie, parang naging bread yung texture niya, or maybe I need to let it cool down first. But yeah.
Let's taste this.
Tinikman na namin siya and super sarap. Right? Is it good?
Yes.
Gusto ko yung mga medyo crunchy na part. You like it?
Yeah.
Ang sarap. If mahilig kayo sa may banana flavor. It's very good.
Never tasted boy.
It's good.
Can I
What?
play
What do you
the
want?
dentist? I wanna play the dentist. Please just try.
Come get it, please. And get the scissor. Get the scissors and the dentist.
Scissors and the dentist.
Put it here. What's gonna be our deal? We're gonna open this,
Yes.
but
Later, I'm gonna massage you. It's a promise. I'm not tricking you. It's a promise.
you're gonna massage me?
Yes,
You're not,
yes.
you're not gonna say that you're tired na?
I'm not.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Okay. Why do you wanna open the dentist?
Because he promised me, right?
Hmm?
He promised me, right?
What? What did they promise?
Daddy, he opened the dentist.
No. is not for you.
No, just try, right?
Mhm.
I said try, just try, right?
What if I say no? Just kidding. Okay, let's open this. Oops. We're gonna open this toy.
Yes.
So, nabudol na naman niya ako kasi ano to, ito yung ipapadala namin sa Pinas. Ang gusto niyang buksan. Kasi nga naman, tingnan niyo ang ganda. Toothbrushan mo siya, tapos mawawala yung mga stain. So, let's open this one, okay?
Yes,
Okay, so na-unbox na namin.
Yay! Hi!
No, don't go there. Here lang. This is what it looks like. So, ayan siya. Nabubukas yung mouth and you're gonna brush.
Yeah.
And it comes with a cup. Yung cup.
Yeah,
This one is yung parang mirror para makita mo yung mga teeth na kailangan linisin doon sa loob. This is the toothpaste.
Yeah, the
This
toothpaste.
This one is something na panglinis. This one is the toothbrush. Totoong bristles siya. And this one is, I think, yung water flosser na nilalagyan ng tubig. Oh, yeah. You're gonna put water inside. And this is the floss.
Yes, flush.
Do you even floss your teeth? No, you don't. Here.
Oh, this one is the.
Yeah.
Can you try, Mom?
Okay, now what's the first thing? You need to put them here.
Yeah.
But I'm not gonna use it. You have to put it there. Where's the card? What's the next step?
No, only do the first step first.
Yeah.
The first step is to put the toothbrush here in the brush.
Toothpaste.
Yeah, in the toothpaste.
Then put some toothpaste and then brush the teeth. Go.
Which one is dirty?
You know how to use that like this. When the mouth is not fully open, you're gonna use the mirror to check if there's a stain. Here.
Oh, I found
Is there a
one.
stain there?
Yes.
Oh, see?
Okay, I
So now
found.
you can
okay.
open.
Oh, I found one. This one.
Okay. Okay, now brush the teeth. Open the mouth. You can open the mouth now. Make sure you're scrubbing it properly. You want me to show you muna how to do it?
No. Oh.
Is it going away? It's not. Let's squirt some water. Oh! It's clean, huh? Is it? Getting clean?
Yes, you mean this one.
Let's put some water.
Helping. It's like, oh,
It's changing color?
yes.
Is it? See? It takes a while. That's why you need to take care of your teeth now.
Now you have to take care of your teeth or it'll be like this.
Can you see? Smile! Ooh! No more stain! Thank you, dentist!
There's still more.
Hi, dentist.
Hi, we need to brush the hippo's teeth because he didn't brush his teeth. Ew.
Gonna show you how it's done. Ooh.
Hippo, you need to brush your teeth. Drink water. I'm gonna put a hole in.
Are you happy, dentist?
Yes, you need to brush your teeth.
Is it coming out? Just squish this one on the big part, the chubby part. Just squirt it like that. See?
Okay. Why it never comes off?
Yeah, it's gonna come back when the water is not hot na.
My teeth is still hurting. Why is dental? I told you to brush your teeth next time. Ew.
Mm-hmm.
Anyways.
Show it to me. Okay, that one is okay. There's more here.
Oh.
This one, oh. You need to cut it na. Good job. There's more. This one also. Look at this one.
Okay.
And then this one.
Okay.
Be careful. Kaliwete. My kaliwete girly. Show me your face, kaliwete girly. Can you use your other hand?
Why? I don't wanna.
Can you try?
I can't.
Just try.
Mm,
Just try.
okay. Why I need to try my other hand?
Just try. Put it here on the other side.
Mommy, Mommy ain't too scared.
Just try. It's a good brain exercise. Go.
There, got it. It's like pigeon poop.
Bulokis na.